This decompressor cable is damaged, so Dad will now change it to the new one. Now Dad is fitting new decompressor cable. This is how Dad is cleaning carbon with the help of drill machine. See, Dad has cleaned the carbon. Earlier there was many carbon.
यहाँ पे भी कार्बन था, वो भी पापा अभी साफ कर रहे हैं।
See, here also Dad is cleaning the carbon with the drill machine.
हाँ।
See, this black color particle is the carbon.
ये देखो।
ठीक है चल।
Now Dad is cleaning the head with the help of petrol. On exhaust side, Dad is pouring petrol to check whether there is leakage or not. There is no leakage, hence valve is good. Now on inlet side, Dad is pouring petrol to check whether there is leakage or not. There is no leakage, hence both the valves are good. Rocker cover stud nut thread is not proper, therefore Dad is tapping and making new thread. By using tap, Dad has made the thread. After gasket, Dad will fit the head. Dad is fitting head by tightening all the 6 nuts. This is called tappet rod or push rod. In inlet small and the exhaust big one. See big one on the this side and small on this side. This is rocker arm set. Its MRP is 1050. This is original rocker of company. Samrat and others are duplicate. Man who has never seen original parts will think Samrat rocker as the original one, but it's not the original thing. This is of aluminum body, it's of Samrat company, and this is the company one which is of MS material, that is casting material. See, you can see the difference. Tappet should not be fully jammed or fully loose. See, that is rotating it from down. See, this is the medium rotation, that is, it is not so loose or not so tight. This is the perfect thing. Daddy is setting exhaust tappet rod. Tappet is perfect.
Oil.
Dad is checking whether oil pipe hole is choked or not. Oil pipe fitting is done now. Earlier circulation was explained when block and head was not fitted. When oil comes from this pipe, it gets divided on both the rocker. It gets splashed from this side and also from here too. Same from this side too. From this side the valve receives, and from this side the tappet rod receives the oil, and then it falls down here. It falls from here and also from here, this side too. It falls from here and gets filled here as explained earlier. Now Dad is fitting silencer along with its bent pipe. If you like our videos, do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.